Talk to her, Ruby.
Don't sleep on me. Good when I'm home. You good, baby. Taking pictures again.
Hi, sweet face. There it is, sweet face. There's your Uncle Danny holding you.
You just put it on me.
Yes, he did.
You just put it on me. I know I need the right end to be coming out of.
Aww.
You feel better? Yeah. Just smile for baby. Just smile.
Hi, sweet face.
Smile. What are you doing, baby?
Yeah, I'm going to sleep. Aww. Talk to him, baby.
Hi, pretty eyes. Hi. Hi, big eyes.
Like, who are you? And what's your hairy monster? Oh, he crossed his eyes. Hi, sweet face. Did the pretty boy.
Yeah, baby.
Did the pretty boy all day.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, did the sweet face. Hi, buddy. Yes. Talk to him, Uncle Dan. There he is.
Yeah.
Aww.